Jesus
fucking, that's been bonced out all day.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
And then fifth gear, it's just too long.
Yeah.
Like, it'll take forever to get up to like 140.
Yeah,
But it's one of those hated corner of the whole track.
is it?
Yeah.
Especially.
I'm just not quite sure what to do with it.
Yeah, yeah.
There we go. My fastest lap around here as well.
What is it?
Yeah.
Wow. God, that was a fucking hot lap.
My hands are sweaty, dude.
Yeah, I bet they are.
Yeah.
Oh. I know you're sweaty now, aren't you?
Oh, like honestly, it gets you.
Perforate.
But like, if we open the boot now, you'll be like, mate, it's 1,000 degrees in there. So if you're ever gonna get one of these, don't put your food shopping in the boot.
No,
This is the only rule.
Yeah, very mechanical, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful inside as well, isn't it?
Oh, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, like when I was looking to buy one,
Yeah.
well, I was looking to kind of buy a sports car. You know, I've been driving EVs for literally like nearly 10 years.
Yeah.
And I was like, I need something that soon, you know, petrol, diesel cars, you know, a manual petrol car might not even exist in 10 years
Yeah, yeah.
to buy.
Yeah,
And I was like, I need something.
Yeah, yeah,
I always
yeah.
wanted a Lotus,
Okay.
but I had to appreciate to myself that I don't have the mechanical know-how prowess to look after a car like an Exige
No, yeah.
or an Elise. So when they announced this, I thought, that's a fucking no-brainer for me.
Yeah, yeah, try your hand in it. For sure.
And then I put an order in back in like 2021. It was delayed by like 3 years, and so I cancelled, and then
Was
literally
it?
a couple of days before Christmas, 2024, they rang me, which is like, we've got one in your spec that's just been delivered,
Do you want it?
and cancelled it, you want it? So I was like, absolutely.
No, if you don't mind me asking, you don't have to tell me how much was it?
So I got a fucking steal, I don't mind sharing that at all.
Yeah.
Right, let me let Chris go past. I paid literally a smidge under 70 grand for it.
Okay. That's good price for this?
Like now, if you were to spec one of these up now, it's like over 100 grand.
Well, I mean, steal then.
BMW brigade behind me. Obviously, let this fucker go.
Yeah.
Jesus
Fucking, that's been
Christ.
bonced out all day.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
That was Tom. And I'm like I still have like the full track ESC on.
Yeah.
Because like it's gonna save me for the 5% that I'm not sure about.
Yeah, it's controllable. It's controllable.
And then
I would. bedded in.
Hater corner of the whole track.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm just not quite sure what to do with it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, insane amount of grip. Insane.
It's very well balanced.
Yeah.
And I've just got it on fresh cut 2s as well, so that helps.
Oh, lovely.
I had it on Goodyear F1 Super Sports from factory beforehand.
Yeah.
And to be fair to them, they did a great job, but they would just fucking die under this score punishment.
I like this big sweep before. Yeah, I like this.
You'll have to shout a little bit for me.
I like this big sweeping bend.
Yeah.
This style.
Fastest lap around here as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. That's fucking. How long was that?
That was 2:57.
2:57. Oh, that was a fucking hot lap.
My hands are sweaty, dude.
Yeah, I bet they are.
And that's the problem with the Alcantara steering wheel as well. Like, it does just like make your hands sweat.
Yeah, I can imagine right there. Fucking hell, Aaron, you are a driver, mate.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Like I say, this car is so well balanced.
And like, you know, it leans a lot.
Yeah.
But a lot of people don't like that. But I think for someone who's new, relatively new, I think in the grand scheme,
Yeah.
trying to get used to really controlling the inputs. Like if you're too jolty or you come off the clutch a bit quick, especially like something like this, you upset the whole balance of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a hot lap. That was so good. But this thing's a dream. This is.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and even just like because it.
And I bet it was a comfy drive down as well.
Yeah,
but it was beautiful.
It's so easy to drive.
Yeah.
Because it is on the softer setup. The sport setup's only a tiny bit firmer.
Yeah.
And it has slightly stiffer anti-roll bar, which for this driving would be perfect.
Yeah.
But
still though, if this is on the soft setting, this is still fucking great.
It's still incredibly capable out of the box.
Yes.
The only modification or so that I've done to it is giving it a more aggressive alignment. So its camber and toe has been adjusted slightly.
Oh, okay, sick, yeah.
But like we're talking like 1.5 degrees. Because that's the maximum that it allows under like stock stuff that's on it, basically stock hardware. Yeah, some better high temperature brake fluid.
Oh, that's really good as well. It tells you your PSIs.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Ideally the front's probably about, on full chat, they're probably a PSI too high. But that's pretty fine. It's pretty fine. You do have like your G-force meter and your power gauge and all that good shit.
Yeah, that was going right over there in some tight corners.
Right, Jesus.
Wow. fucking beautiful seeing them vents out your mirrors, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that was sick.
Ready for round 2?
Yeah.
Go get your mate who wants to go out in this, I think. Yeah? He's by the Mercedes. I'm down to about a third of the tank, so we'll do another session. I literally just have to fill up. Oh, have you? Yeah. Where's the lads? They're filming. Around somewhere. They might have gone upstairs or something.